Gentle glow lights up the morn, your holy love in me reborn. Through quiet fields, through skies so wide, your presence walks by my side. The winds whisper of your care, a sacred peace beyond compare. My heart is still, my soul takes flight, in your embrace, eternal light. When shadows fall, doubts arise, your tender voice fills up the skies. A steady hand, a guiding star, you show me who you truly are. The rivers flow, the mountains rise, all nature sings beneath your eyes. I lift my soul, I bend my knee, oh Lord, your grace has set me free. Through every storm, through every tear, I know your spirit lingers near. A calming hush, a gentle flame, I'll forever praise your name. The dawn awakes, the night retreats, your mercy flows when my heart beats. My fears dissolve, my spirit sings beneath the shelter of your wings. Your love is vast, your promise true. In every breath I turn to you. When paths grow dim, when hope seems small, you lift me up through every fall. The heavens shine, the earth replies, a song of faith that never dies. My voice ascends, my soul is yours, through endless days, through open doors. In silence deep, I hear your call, a quiet strength to bear it all. Through winding roads, through days unsure, your holy word remains so pure. The stars above, the seas below, in all creation your love grows. I'll walk with you, my heart will stay forever near, come what may. When trials press, when burdens weigh, your gentle light turns night to day. A river wide, a boundless grace, I find my home in your embrace. The trees will bow, the winds will sing, a humble hymn to my great King. My spirit rests, my hands I raise, an endless song of grateful praise. Through every season, high and low, your faithful love will always flow. A beacon bright, a sacred stream, you wake my soul, you fuel my dream. The earth will bloom, the skies will gleam, all for the one who reigns supreme. I'll seek your face, I'll trust your plan, my life secure in your great hand. Gentle glow lights up the morn, your holy love in me reborn. Through quiet fields, through skies so wide, your presence walks by my side. The winds whisper of your care, a sacred peace beyond compare. My heart is still, my soul takes flight, in your embrace, eternal light. When shadows fall, doubts arise,